how to create viral Snapchat filters with Lens Studio AI. So if you want to create viral Snapchat filters with Lens Studio AI, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Google or your browser and search for Lens Studio Snapchat. Go with developers.snap.com, which is Snapchat for developers. You can then sign in with your account, then go with a new project and choose AI Lens template. Or you can also go back and then go with any other websites right here, which will provide you to create Lens. So go with a new project and choose AI Lens template, like AI background, 3D face mask, or text to art filters. Then use AI prompts to generate effects or upload images for inspiration. You can add animations, stickers, and sounds to make it engaging. Then you can click on Publish Lens, name it, and share your Snap code on stories with your friends to boost visibility and go viral. That's how you can make viral Snapchat filters with Lens AI. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.